There is no such thing as failure, only feedback exists. Life teaches us by means of our mistakes. If you make a mistake, ask yourself what you have to learn from it. Accept the lessons humbly and gratefully. This way, you grow a lot more. Everything you want to do well is worth doing poorly first. If something upsets you, be happy about it. What is the lesson I can learn from this? What do I want to get out of it? Embrace the inevitable process of growing and becoming wiser. You have to break down in order to be able to build up. It is therefore important to fail. Each result or deed is an experience to which you can refer. And so it gives you valuable information for the next time. Every wound is a womb, as said by Robert Bly. When you do the weight training, you make micro tears in your muscles, and this is catabolic. Why are we doing this? So that we can become anabolic. Catabolic is the down process and anabolic is the up process. But if we go further with this principle, we arrive at non-duality. The down process is equal to the up process. Failure is equal to success. And this applies everywhere in the life. Yin yang, day and night, autumn, spring. Life is not a linear process. You are in a cocoon and you're bursting yourself out. If you don't have an uncomfortable time, you won't learn anything new at all. Break down and then build up. If someone is outperforming you in a particular skill, he probably has failed more often than you have. If someone is not as good as you, he probably didn't have to go through the painful learning experience as much as you do. And we could learn this principle from children, not to be ashamed of making mistakes, to get up and try again. Most adults are so scared, careful and safe, which causes them to contract and therefore fail. Most adults are committed to that sadly. You have failed successfully. So make as many mistakes as possible, as early as possible in your life and enjoy them. If you don't make mistakes, the challenges you are working on aren't challenging enough, and that is a big mistake. So it's important that action is taken and then you act and learn. If anything doesn't work, or you've had an experience which is not really very, which really actually upsets you, don't make it as an event and close it. Keep it as an ongoing process for learning something new and moving ahead in life. It's giving only a feedback that things may have to be done in a different way. Thank you so much. This is Shyamala Jairam Sharma, Neuro-Linguistic Programming Master Trainer. Please do like, subscribe, comment my channel and do share it. Thank you so much.